Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Shopify order notification email. Customizing your notification emails can be a great way to enhance your brand's identity and ensure that communications with your customers reflect your unique style and voice. These emails are often the most frequently opened messages your customers receive from you, so making them look and sound on brand can leave a strong, professional impression. So let's dive right into it and make your Shopify emails shine. Start by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, you'll want to look to the bottom left corner of your screen. That's where you'll find the settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to a variety of options that allow you to tweak and manage different parts of your Shopify store, from checkout behavior to customer communications. After you've clicked on settings, you'll see a list of options pop up. From this list, what you want to do next is select notifications. This section is crucial because it controls all the email and SMS notifications you send out from your store, including order updates, shipping alerts, and customer confirmations. It's like your command center for customer communications. Now that you're inside the notifications menu, look for the section called Customer Notifications. This is where all the action happens. Here, you'll want to keep an eye out for notifications specifically related to orders, since these are the messages customers rely on most. These could include order confirmation, shipping notifications, or any other email that updates your customers about their purchases. Find the order-related notification that you want to customize and click on it. This will give you a preview of what your current email looks like when it lands in a customer's inbox. It's always a good idea to take a moment to review this preview before making changes. You'll want to pay attention to the layout, colors, and text to see what aligns or doesn't align with your brand's aesthetics and tone, and identify areas where you can improve clarity or branding. Once you've had a good look and decided on the changes you want to make, it's time to get creative. To do this, go ahead and click on Edit Code at the top right corner of the preview screen. This part might seem a bit daunting, especially if you're not familiar with HTML or Liquid, Shopify's templating language. But don't worry, Shopify provides lots of resources and documentation that can guide you through the process, and even small edits can make a big difference. Editing the code allows you to tweak the appearance and content of your emails just the way you want. You can add your logo at the top, adjust spacing or colors to match your brand, change fonts, or tailor the wording to match your brand's voice and tone. Be sure to make changes carefully, preview your updates when possible, and save your edits once you're happy with the result. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to customize your Shopify order notification emails. This simple tweak helps maintain a consistent and professional presence in your correspondence with customers, enhancing their overall experience with your brand and reinforcing trust after every purchase. Feel free to explore and experiment to find the customization that best suits your needs. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, practical Shopify tutorials. If you have any questions or want to see a specific feature covered next, drop a comment below. I read and reply to them all. Until next time, keep building, keep optimizing, and happy selling on Shopify.